Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Snapchat. This is really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So in order to do this, we are going to have an app which allow us to play music in our background. For example, Spotify, YouTube Music, or YouTube, if you have a premium account, will allow you to play music in your background. So, for example, let's say you want to make a Snapchat with a certain song. Now we are going to just head over to the app that you want to use. Just let the song play. As you can see, the song is playing. And what I'm going to do is just head over to Snapchat. And once I'm here, I'm just to start recording, and that's pretty much all there is to it. After recorded, now the Snapchat will have the music that we just created in the background uh, alongside us talking. You can even stop your music and just let it play as soon as the snap begins, so you don't have to waste some of the song's minutes while you open up the app. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.